Hi everyone, welcome to my Cactus Grow Easy YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to see more videos. Today I am going to show that how we are going to prepare dragon fruits cutting for grafting purposes and fast rooting. Actually we don't need sophisticated equipment. Basically we need surgical spades and then a sharp cutting blade or sharp cutting knife and a tissue paper for wipe outs. Let's start. First we need to disinfect the sharp cutting blade or knife with the surgical spade and the tissue paper like this before cutting, and then we need sharp cutting like this to expose the cambium, and we increase the surface area of protein surface with this type of cutting and get exposed the cambium very much like this. Please wear pair of gloves before handling the dragon fruit. We have exposed around 1 centimeter from the muscular area of the dragon fruit and expose the cambium very much, and it will increase the rooting. Let's see quickly preparation of another dragon fruit cutting. After that, keep the dragon fruit in well shaded area without sunlight to dry and to make the callus for around 1 week. Straight away plant the dragon fruit in the pot. Cause rotting of the dragon fruit. Okay, let's plant the dragon fruit in the pot. Actually, a small pot is very much enough for dragon fruit planting because we are going to plant dragon fruit for grafting. We have prepared the potting mix with adding of cocoa peat. It may retain the water because dragon fruit have more water tolerable capacity than other cactus. We'll quickly see how we plant the other plants also. Do not bury the rootstock very much deep. It is advisable to bury the rootstock around ½ inch from the surface. After planting, we can add small chips to the pot. It may cause preventing of the dragon fruit rootstock falling and compress the dragon fruit very much tightly to the pot and gives a beauty to the pot. After planting the dragon fruit, place them in a direct sunlight, and every day you need to water it very well and keep the moist in the pots of dragon fruits. Both direct sunlight and the water need to hasten the rooting. Do not put dragon fruit in the shade after the plant the cuttings because it may prolong the rooting. With good sunlight, you will be able to see fruits after 2 weeks. Here we can see one root after 2 weeks. After around 1 month, you can see more roots here and there in the pot. Then it will be suitable for cactus grafting. Although we can see roots from this transparent container, but we can't see roots from black pots. In that case, we can wait for branches from the dragon fruit before going to cactus grafting. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in another video.